Hello, everyone, and welcome to June's Demo Jam, where we're going to demo jam customer service apps. My name is Joshua Hoskins. I am a Salesforce MVP on the Hall of Fame. And today with me, I have Amanda as well. Amanda, how are you?
Hi, everyone. Amanda Nelson here from the App Exchange. I'm so excited for this June 2020 Demo Jam all about customer service apps on the App Exchange.
Yes, it's definitely going to be very, very exciting. And if you want, you can follow us along on Twitter with the hashtag app demo jam or demo jam. Today's participants include Internet Creations, PagerDuty, TalkDesk, KMS Lighthouse, and SupplyForce. And we're just about ready to get started. But Amanda, first off, what are these rules that everyone's talking about?
You know, the rules haven't changed because they're so good. The rules are that you only have 3 minutes to demo your app. That's right, 3 minutes. We will give you a 30-second warning and cut you off at the 3-minute mark. The demos must be live, no slides, nothing pre-recorded. Everything you're seeing here is happening in real time. And there will be one winner chosen by you, the audience, and that will be announced on Twitter on June 19th at 1 o'clock Eastern. So you have 24 hours to vote. Those are the rules, Joshua. Should we get into it?
Awesome. Yes, definitely. Let's get into it now. All right, moving right along, we've got PagerDuty. PagerDuty for customer service and Salesforce Service Cloud enables real-time responses, better cross-team collaboration across support teams like IT and engineering teams, and also it allows you to be proactive about customer communications. With proactive monitoring, issues can be resolved before they become problems for your customers. Support managers can empower their teams to deliver an amazing service around the clock and truly help the customers. Work where you are and mobilize response teams directly from Salesforce. With us today, we have Liberty, who's going to show us how to do all of that and maybe a little more in 3 minutes or less. Liberty, are you out there?
I am. And can you see my screen?
We can. Over to you. Your 3 minutes starts now. Good luck.
Thanks. Okay, so for this demonstration, I want to show you how PagerDuty can help your support teams in a time-critical situation. So what I'm actually going to be a support agent today. I'm on my lunch break coming back from it, and I notice, oh my gosh, there's 21 cases in my queue. What is going on? So I'm going to go ahead and open up this case right here. Looks like this is Appy, one of our favorite customers. She's saying she's getting a 500 page whenever she tries to submit a payment on the website. That's not good. This is a situation that I'm sure other customer support agents have dealt with, and we know that we need to escalate this quickly to engineering. This is not something that I can fix. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is with this integration, I've built rules to escalate it to engineering and trigger a PagerDuty incident. So I'm going to go ahead and select escalate to engineering. I'm going to save that. In the background, a PagerDuty incident is being triggered right now, which I will show you momentarily. I also want to go ahead and leave a case comment on this, letting them know 21 customers impacted. This case comment's actually going to sync to PagerDuty as well, so that our engineers have all the right information they need to start working on this problem and prioritize it highly. I also recognize that this is a customer impacting incident, so I'm actually going to notify some stakeholders using a response play. This basically notifies all of our success managers and sales reps so that they're aware some customers might be experiencing this. They might start getting an influx of emails. When I actually look into PagerDuty, I can see here that already there's an incident populated. So my engineering teams notify, oh, I literally just got paged for this right now. That was my phone. My engineers have been notified. Oh, and it looks like I might not be logged in. I'm not. Let me go ahead and quickly do this. Demo gods.
It's okay. They're in the room.
I know, it happens. Okay,
Go
so
away.
we are into PagerDuty. I remembered my password. Okay, so I can see here that as an engineer, there is a problem with payments not going through. So I'm going to go ahead and take a look at the timeline and see what's happened. I can see that stakeholders have been notified about a customer-facing incident. I can also see that there's this note from my support rep that there are 21 customers impacted, and I can actually act and then resolve this incident. Once the incident's resolved, my customer support agent will get an update on their case, and they can actually start notifying the customer. So the idea here is that we really help with that collaboration between support and engineering, escalating the right team to the right teams so that a problem is resolved faster.
Awesome. I hope you're done because you're 3 minutes
I am. Yeah.
Just in the nick of time. You know what I love about PagerDuty and what you're able to show today is that it really is more of a collaborative system these days. And in these days, you have to be so much more modern about your communication when you have outages. And so I like the fact that you actually have the ability to call stakeholders out. I like the fact that you have the ability to provide real-time information about what's going on with that incident at that very moment. Back in the days when IT was legacy, people would carry around pagers and you'd have to type in a message. And I even, think now, in some cases in a lot of organizations, it's like this team uses Slack. This team wants you to call them. Having that information in Salesforce just brings all of that together so that the support agent can really work where they are and, send the message across to the teams that are needed directly from Salesforce. So thank you so much for that demo.
Thank you, Joshua.
Cool. Amanda, what questions do we have for Liberty and PagerDuty?
Yeah, that was a great demo, and we still got to see it in 3 minutes, even with the login, so that was great. The question is, how does using the PagerDuty for Salesforce Cloud integration help you reduce complaint time to resolution?
Yeah, absolutely. Well, there's a few different ways. Customer support managers are able to escalate issues directly to IT and engineering through Salesforce Cloud. So being able to work right where they are and work fast. It also gives them visibility into what issues are being worked on, what those resolution times are, how many impacting incidents there have been for this customer. And then finally, because engineers are in, PagerDuty, PagerDuty is proactively monitoring for issues. Engineers can actually escalate back to support to let them know there's an ongoing issue. And technical teams are just able to respond much, much faster so that you can keep a culture of customer-centric, passionate trust in your brand, and make sure that your customers are ultimately really, really happy with their choice to use you.
That's amazing. Just to have the support teams escalating back to support. I love that. Wish I would have had that when I was on the help desk. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
All right. Stay tuned. We're going to get you to vote in just a moment.
All of these apps are available on App Exchange. App Exchange is an intelligent, easy to navigate ecosystem of third-party solutions to help you extend Salesforce. It really is the hub of the Salesforce ecosystem. We have over 5,000 solutions, including apps, components. You saw a Bolt today. So lots of different things and Bot. You had lots of things to extend your Salesforce experience. And it's really organized and easy to search. So even though there's a lot to find, you just use that search bar and it makes it super easy. So that is it from our end. Make sure you vote. We'll announce that winner. Thank you so much for being a part of today's Demo Jam. And thank you, Joshua.
Thank you, Amanda. This has been awesome. I would love for all of these people to win, but it's your choice. Only one of them wins, and we hope to look for your votes, and we'll see who wins tomorrow. Stay tuned.
Thank you. Have a great day.
Thanks, everyone.